everyone, welcome back to my channel. Angela here again. I'm here today to do a little flip through of this journal that I have just finished tonight, and I wanted to get it up on my channel so that I can send it off to the lady that I've made it for. So I'm going to share with you. It is a really chunky journal. She wanted this size. It's 200 pages. And it's full of botanicals throughout. So what I've done here, let me just give you a couple of dimensions and then I'll get straight to it. Well, first of all, we've got this lovely fabric cover, which I've put on here. It's a linen, and you can see the beautiful colors on here. Let me turn it over to the back. Gorgeous colors, beautiful botanical prints. I do love this fabric, and I've got quite a few of these different ones that I love to use. You see me using them all the time. So I've just put on this lovely picture. I think this is from Calico Collage, and I've just laid up some of my pieces of lace. I've made a sari silk little flower here and laid it up with various bits and pieces. So that's the cover. The measurements are 9 inches in length by 6.5 inches, and the spine is 3.5 inches in width. So we're looking at 200 pages here. All right, so this journal is to store memories. It's a keepsake, and also for photographs that the lady wanted to include. So let's have a look inside. It's got lots of different kits in here. I've put lots of the projects that you've seen on my channel. So we're going to have a look, and it is chunky. Look at that. That is chunky. Right, so I'm going to open it up. Hopefully this is in frame. So I'm going to start over here. And you can see on the side over here, I have put one of my templates for the folio. And I'm going to just open that up quickly. And you would have seen this before, so I'm not going to take out every piece of ephemera. But that's the folio using my template that you'll find in my shop if you're wanting to know how to do that, which makes it really quick and easy. So I've got all sorts of little bits in the little pockets, but if you want to see it in more detail, this exact one was on the tutorials list that I did and showed you how to do that. Then we've got our very first signature over here, and it's beautiful florals. I've got lots of different combinations of things. This is the page wrap that you saw me do. This is a flip out. So let me just get this positioned properly here. So I loved doing that. So that's just lovely. It's got a tag at the back here as well. So that's great. And then over here we've got the other side of that. And these, as I said, are all in my tutorials. I'll try and link them where I can so you can see. And so if you want to see these in more detail, please do go and have a look. So I'll try, and this is a vintage book page. I've just stuck a little mini envelope that I make as well. Just got lots of tags in here. This is just a page, this is parchment, and I've just made a fold over here, decorated it up with some nice trim. This is one of my book page pockets, and again just a little tag in here, another page. More vintage book pages, and over here is just a page I've printed on vellum. Here's one of my toilet roll pockets. So I've got the toilet roll pockets, the cores video as well. Couple of tags again that go in there. These are so quick and easy to make. I love doing those. A pocket where you can store some photographs. I haven't put details into every single area, because otherwise the poor person will not be able to put anything of their own in here, and I'm sure she will want to take things out as well. This is one of the tutorials I've done, again using the Amazon paper, I think. as I said, I will try and link some of those things together, but pretty much most of these tutorials can be found in my playlists. So the tutorial playlists, I've got all sorts of little cards here, some Edith Holden where I've just made a little tuck spot. Got some lace here and there as well, beautiful pages, some more storage space for things, just a nice little tuck spot over here, and those little tags and cards to make some notes on. Here's the other side of that little tutorial that I was just talking about. Some writing space, lots of places to write or put pictures in. Use some avocado stained paper here and some florals and stenciling on that one. So here's a little flip out, and the other side of that vintage vellum print. Little pocket that I've tucked in over here. Some more parchment, little library card in there. Just finished off some of the pages, and I do like my stenciling. More vintage book page, another little page. I've just put a little edging on that one. Do love these pages. These are from Calico Collage, and we're on to the second signature now. Oh, these are some envelopes that I've made, and I've got quite a few of those in here, and I like the different lengths, widths of pages that I've used. Another one of those toilet roll pockets. I'm just tucking in little bits here and there. This is a page that I've folded over, and you can just got some cards that you can write on here, so that's really cute. Oh, isn't that a beautiful vintage page? Love that. Some more. Oh, this is a beautiful tutorial. I do love this, and as I said, I'm not going to spend time going through all the details, but we'll be here forever. But I will link the tutorials, as I said, for you, so that you can see which ones are in there. So I'll probably put them together in a playlist. Love the stenciling here. And here's a one-page tuck. It's another one that I've got, and lots of storage space for bits and pieces to go in there. Little envelope that I've tucked in there, and then a little journal card with a little bit of lace and fabric. Another vintage page. Gorgeous pages. I do love these. As I said, a lot of this comes from either chapter 1 or Calico Collage. Another one of my little mini envelopes. I do love using those because you can always tuck things behind and inside, so I do like making those. Lots of places here. That's the other side of that little tutorial, and again I've got a little card sticking out here. Oh, and you get, that's my porch prints, and then we've got another one that goes at the top there as well. So this is a big journal, and I will not be making another big one in a hurry. It took me months. So yeah, I love how it turned out though, so I'm not complaining about that. Another little pocket, a gorgeous tag. This one's from chapter 1, I think. Lots of pretty pages. Another little envelope here using one of my templates, and another little chapter 1 tag. Tuck in the top there. Layering. We're on to the third one. Isn't that gorgeous picture? Here's some more tuck spots and some more bits and pieces. This is one of those little notes that you fold. Some mini notes secret notes. That's what I called it. I just had to think. This is one of those little page hangers that we did. So that goes on the top there. I just kept it in place with a little paper clip and a ribbon. And then this is one of those what to do with your mailers. So that's a great one. I love that one. Love doing that with mailers. Also tutorial. Little belly band I've used with fabrics and paper ruffles. And again, this is just a foldy one that I've done. I think I got this idea from Carol actually, long ago. And this just all folds out. And I do love the florals in here. And then that just goes back like that. Tucks in. A little bit of fabric there. This is using one of my templates from my Templates 2 kit with a narrow tag. And the tag that fits in the top there. Onto some pink parchment. Stenciling. Love the stenciling. Love this page as well. There's lots of beautiful, lots of pastels and things in here. Another one of these little pockets and just a little tag that I've made. And a little piece of ephemera in there. This is from chapter 1, beautiful tulips. And this is a middle page spread that I did, and lots of things. There's a tutorial on this, so I won't pull out all the bits in there, but a great idea for the middle of a signature. The other side of the tulips, and another little envelope that we've made. And then another little place to tuck some little notes or photographs. This is the other side of the fold out that I showed you. A little place to write some notes. And that all goes together like that. And then we've got another little book page pocket. And we've got a big tag in there. And some little ones in the front. So that's cute. And then this is a little page edge wrap that you saw me make. And I've just put a little one of my doily kits in there. And we've got these little journal cards there. And there's one in the bottom. Turn it over. And then it's got another tuck spot over there. So that's another one that I did. Here's a beautiful one of the Edith Holden diary pages. And again, I've put a little pocket in there with a little tag. And we're on to the last signature now. So here's another little belly band I made with fabric and paper ruffles. Gorgeous tags in there as well. That's one from my wildflower kits. And I do love this one. So pretty. Just layered them up there with some nice mother of pearl vintage buttons. And then another pocket with a couple of tags in there. And a nice piece of pink parchment with some lace. And another vintage page that I folded in here. I love that. And then you've seen me do this very recently with all these beautiful florals. I do love that, and it's layered with pockets. I'm not going to take it all out. As I said, I'll put the link, the playlist for all the tutorials I've used in here. Here's a little flip out and a vintage page, and isn't that too cute? And that's deckled. I deckle edged that, and then we've got a nice avocado page and the back edge of a little envelope there, and that's the other side. You saw me make these as well. And then another Edith Holden and another pocket here with these lovely tags inside, like these large tags. So we're getting to the end here now. Lots of space to put writing, as I said, and stick down photographs. Another little mini envelope. Lots of lacy bits and pieces. This is just my pretty little pockets. got lots of bits in there, so you've got lots of pocket bits in there. Love that. I'm just decorated the edge of the page, and then we're coming to the end here. Love that. Love the colors there. Another little, the other side of that, and then we've got the brown paper flip with lots of pockets in as well, and that opens up like that, and then you've got tuck spot with little goodies underneath and pockets over there, and then on the other side of that you've got a little flip out and another little pocket, and then this lifts up as well. So I'll put that tutorial in, and then another very pretty book page. Isn't that gorgeous? So that's there. Then we've got this where I've just made a tuck spot and laid up the fold over of the page, and then we've got a little pocket with a couple of tags in there, and there we come to the end. And I didn't put anything on the back page here because it was just too full. Look at that, it's huge. All right, so I hope that you enjoyed that, everybody. A big journal. I loved creating this. I've got so many unique and different projects that I put together in here. I'll try my best to put a playlist together for all of those tutorials, so you can have a look and see what I included in here. All right, so I hope that was fun. Let me know what you think, and I'll be seeing you all in the very, very next video. Bye-bye.